just stepped on. See, I don't got time for this. Yeah, and I'm literally so fucking irritated because everything is going wrong. Like, everything is fucking up, and my trip is tomorrow. First of all, I got the wrong wig. I was supposed to do a Slay With Me wig review and installation, but they sent me a T-part instead of my lace closure, so that pissed me off. Then my nail tech canceled on me, so I had to like find a random nail salon. I was supposed to show y'all my nails, but this shit, like, he didn't cut me. He cut me like 2 times. I'm bleeding and shit. Like, I don't go to nail salons. I go to like at-home nail tech. So, and then I'm so irritated about the nails for real, because like on a regular day, I get, like, if you know me, my nails be, I get extra long nails and my nails be blinged out. I get rhinestones and I get designs. So to have these plain ass white nails and I'm going to Miami, like, I'm fucking pissed. And on top of that, y'all, Fashion Nova was supposed to deliver my shit Monday. They talking about it's gonna deliver literally the day I'm leaving. So I have to see if somebody can even check on to see if my package, to get my package off the stoop, because we have porch pirates. People be stealing people packages. So it was like everything that could have went wrong with this trip has fucking gone wrong. Like, I'm so over it. Not to mention the roads are like, they're not bad. I feel like they were worse yesterday because people was like canceling work and stuff like that, but they're not the best. Like, it's crazy, and that's why my nail appointment was canceled. But if the nail shop is open, it's like, you know. So I went to the nail shop. Now I just need to get me some brown dye to dye my wig. So last minute, I don't even, like, last time I dyed my wig, I fucked up and stained the lace. So I'm nervous about even dyeing my wig. But I just need to dye my wig, go to my mom's house, pick up my red bottoms that I left there, and then I can just go home, start on my wig, and, you know, shave and pack. Like, this is so last minute, you guys. My flight is at 6 a.m. I don't even know what time I'm supposed to be leaving. I'm gonna have to Uber because I'm not driving in this. Like, y'all, it's just, I'm so ready to be on vacation. The streets is so fucking bad. I had to go to my mom's house, right? Her driveway is so snowed. I'm gonna have to park at this church and walk all the way across this church field. This is ridiculous. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this, y'all. I'm lucky it's not up higher, but like, look, this is you know, them little parking spots. These are parking spots. I just stepped on. See, I don't got time for this. This shit cannot get fucking worse.
Fucking for what seems like hours, bitch. Cause what the fuck is this? Somebody's sugar daddies to pay. This is Trump's wig. Girl, what is this? Okay, you guys, so right here, I'm going to dye the roots of my T-part wig. I got some hair dye from the beauty supply called Kiss Titanium. I just YouTubed how to dye your roots, and I followed the YouTube video as I was literally filming this. I'm missing a lot of footage because I'm so late, so just bear with me, you guys. It'll be a lot better in the next vlogs, but yeah. Girl, the struggle is real. I'm missing footage, all types of things, but yes, I was getting a little dye in some of the hair. So all you have to do is just take a little bit of spit if you're in a rush, or take some water and just really work that out, and it'll come out a little bit. And then you guys, like, make sure that you're not working too close to the root because it'll naturally fall down. I learned that as well. I did get a little bit of dye on the lace, but I just washed it out with some Dr. Bronner soap and it came right out. So I know if I can do it, you ladies can do it as well. If y'all want me to redo this very detailed, I can do that. Comment down below and I will get that video done ASAP.
Okay, y'all, so like, I'm not even a negative person, but y'all, everything is like going fucked up. I'm not gonna say wrong, everything is fucking up. Like, it's an ice storm going on, which has me really nervous because I'm really scared to fly. I'm gonna just do this little Aztec clay mask while I talk to y'all, and then when it dry, I'm gonna just pack up. Yeah, so it's an ice storm going on right now, and now our flight has been delayed. Like, my cousin, her flight was canceled.
out of Houston. My other cousin, her flight was canceled out of Nashville. So it's just like so fucked up. Cause like now half the people that were supposed to come aren't even coming. And I really wanted to see my little cousin. Flick it up with her. So I'm just like, and I'm already scared of flights, right? So I'm like, yo, can we even like fly in this? I don't even know. And on top of that, it's just like, I'm gonna have to call an Uber there. But then I don't even know, because like, it's no parking spots. Like where I live is street parking. And it's literally like, I like took my neighbor's parking spot. My neighbor knocked on the door. And like, I didn't answer it because bitch, bye.
And you know
what I'm saying? Like, I usually don't do that. But it's just like, come on. There's no parking spots for anybody. So it's kind of like anyone, you know, a free for all right now. And it's just like, nobody even parks right there. I didn't even really park in his spot because nobody even lives in that house. So like, our houses are so close together, but nobody lives in that like house right there where I parked, because I always park there when I do come home, because usually I like stay with my dude or whatever. But it's gonna be sitting there for like 4 days. So because I'm like, okay, I'll drive, but bitch, no, I'm not gonna drive, because this shit is supposed to like be freezing temperatures, like ice and all types of shit. So I don't know, I'm just nervous. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm just freaking out, y'all. I'm like trying to act all cool and calm and collected, but I'm like really freaking out, because I really don't know what to do. I'm scared to fly in this weather, but like, I'm not saying nothing. Put it on my lips too, because I be hating when, you know, does anybody else like break out right there during that time, or is that just me? Because like, I follow this like page, this pimple page, and they always be having it around the mouth, and I'm like, oh my gosh, before I followed them, I thought that was just me, like from wearing too much lip gloss. Yeah, it's so crazy. But yes, like, my Fashion Nova clothes never came. So now I'm just kind of like, okay, I had to find something in my closet within this amount of time. Now my flight's at 8, which is kind of better because it gives me more time to find something in my closet. So while this mask dries, I'm going to look for something to pack. And yeah, I mean, I was supposed to do a try on haul, but I don't even have time for that right now. Like, when I do get the Fashion Nova clothes, I'll do a try on haul. But it's kind of like a spring try on haul, so I don't know, I might keep that. But yeah, y'all, I will see you guys. And I know I didn't like vlog like I was supposed to, but I was scared to vlog in the car because the roads was so icy, and then like so much was going on that I had to, like, you know, like, even my wig, like the wig looks really good, but I do not like the lace. So I'm trying to really just let that melt and just like simmer overnight, let the seasoning, you know, overnight. You know how your leftovers the next day are just so bomb. I'm trying to like give it that, the overnight sink in seasoning, hopefully, you know. So yeah, y'all, but this wig is like 30 inches. So it's not like straight and strange. I just blow dried it. But yeah, I'm going to pack up and I'm going to shave. And I'm just gonna like take this off in the shower.